camera. Good morning, everyone. Good morning. Am I audible to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Today, my voice will be little slow. Not feeling good. Okay. So, children, as you all know, that we have started with chapter from the last few days.
Yes.
Which chapter? Can you name the chapter name?
The
Ma'am,
world the world
The way the world look. Okay. In that, we have started the class with the different views. Yes, students, in that we have started the class with the different views.
Yeah.
Vishrut will tell me. Vishrut, can you name any one view?
front view.
Ma'am, top view.
And can you show the object with the front view? Okay. Next, Bhavya Sagar, can you tell me any another view
Yes, ma'am.
and show the object with that view?
Back view.
Very good. Tej Kumar, any view?
Ma'am, Minar.
Ma'am, bottom view.
Ma'am, may I?
This is the
Ma'am,
bottom view.
ma'am, may I?
Yes, ma'am. I put compass like this.
No, but this is the top view.
Yes, ma'am. Top view, top view.
Yes, Manya.
Ma'am,
Yes, Tanya, please go. Yes.
yes, ma'am. This is the front view. This is the side view.
Mm.
This is the back view.
Mm.
And this is again side view.
Mm.
This is the bottom view.
Okay.
And this is a top view.
Top view. Very good.
Ma'am,
Yes.
may I show?
Yes, Vihan Dobariya. Any one view?
Ma'am, आ रही है.
Wait. Any one view?
Front view.
Show me the object with the front view. Very good. Next, Aradhya.
Ma'am, back view.
Show me the back view. Okay. And next, Divit. Divit, can you tell me any one view?
Yes. And this is the front view.
Only one view I want. Front view. Okay. Niva, any one view? Niva, Viva, sorry, not Niva, Viva. Viva, any one view?
Front view.
Very good. Dania, any one view?
Ma'am, back view.
Back view. Last is the Moksh. Yes, Moksh.
Yes, ma'am. Bottom view.
Only one view. Yeah, bottom view. Okay, thank you. So now I'm going to present the screen, and first we will revise the different views, how the person is explaining, the father is explaining to the daughters about the different views, and then we go to the next topic, what we are going to learn today.
Ma'am, I want to show you something.
Wait a minute. Please wait, students. Okay, can you all able to see my screen?
Yep. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now I'm going to mute myself, listen it very carefully, and in between I will ask the questions from you all.
Okay.
Look, Neha, what my papa got for me. What has he got? This looks like a pink colored box. Look carefully, Neha. This is not a pink colored box.
Different views of 3D objects, Part 1. Today we will learn why objects appear different in shape and color when viewed from different sides.
Hello, Uncle.
Hello, Vandana.
Hello, Neha. Look, Neha, what my papa got for me. What has he got? This looks like a pink colored box. Look carefully, Neha. This is not a pink colored box, but a yellow colored clock. How can this be a clock? It has no.
Children, why this is happening? One child is saying from the top that she can only see the pink color box, and the other child
Ma'am,
standing.
because she's
Ma'am, because
seeing
she is seeing the top.
One child
that's
is
why.
speaking Danya already. Then Danya. Danya, other students, if they know the answer, write in the chat box. I will read. Yes, Aradhya. Aradhya, what happened?
Ma'am, because she is seeing from up, that's why. She
Up
will
is
see
what?
down from front, sorry, top view.
You need to use
She
the
is
proper
seeing
appropriate
top
word.
view. And
The-
Varnama is seeing the side view. Ma'am, you are stuck. Ma'am, you are stuck.
Danya, Aradhya, to you.
Ma'am, your screen is blurred.
Now,
Ma'am, your screen is
now
blurred. Yeah.
screen is blurred. Okay, let me check.
Now it is proper.
It's coming proper, Anya?
Yeah.
Ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Moksh, Danya, Tej Kumar, is my screen coming properly?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, can we move ahead? As I was asking, the question was that why it was looking, because she, yes, Manya, you want to give me the answer? Yes, please. Manya, start.
Ma'am, I wanted to answer the top view and the front view one.
Okay, yes. Radha was saying that the another girl was looking from the side. No. Suchi, mute your mic, please. The another child was looking because Vandana is seeing the clock from the side view. Not side view, it is from the front view, Moksh. If you see observe the properly, she is looking from the front view. We can see again.
Wow, this is very beautiful.
Oh, good. You can see the clock now. Vandana, now you tell me, how does the clock appear to you?
I cannot see the
Excuse
clock.
me, ma'am.
Instead
Can
of
you
the
off
clock,
your
Yes.
I
mic?
see a pink colored box. This means the clock appears to you the same way it appeared to me, like a pink colored box. Yes, and you can see the clock, like I was able to see from here. How is this happening? Papa, please explain.
Okay, Vandana, you also come here. Then I'll explain. We live in a 3D world. All the objects around us are 3D.
What is the meaning of 3D?
The meaning of 3D is three-dimensional.
I'm still not clear, Uncle.
This means that every object has 3 dimensions. Those are width, height.
See, children, as we have already learned about the different. Suchi, stop this bacha in the class. Do it everything before the class, bacha. And stable your camera every time you move in the room. Suchi, I am speaking with you, bacha. Stable your camera. Okay, I was on the topic that students, as we have already learned the different views, right? Top view, bottom view, front view, side view. This is only possible with the 3D objects. If I take one, this. If you see the square shape, for example, rectangle shape, or if you take one paper, will you able to see it from the different views? The paper is a 2D object. It's a 2D shape, rectangular, maybe square. So will you able to see the top view of the paper and the front view and the side view? It's a flat. No, 2D objects, it is not possible for the 2D object to see the different views. We only able to see the different views. Aradhya, please put it down. We only able to see the different views of the object, which are 3D objects. 3D means 3D means what? Length, breadth, and the
Height.
height. Yes.
Ma'am, we can say breadth, width also, no?
And depth.
Yes, we had learned this while learning about bricks. To measure bricks, we use 3 dimensions.
Yes, and because of these 3 dimensions, an object appears to be having different shapes when viewed from different sides. For example, when you look from the top, the clock looked like a rectangle. But when you saw from the front, you could see a clock.
Now I have understood a little.
Let me explain this to you with another example. See, I have a toy that is in the shape of a staircase. I will place this staircase on the table here. Now we will make a picture of it.
That will be fun. Let's start.
We will, but wait for a while. We will make this picture from different angles. I will make it from here. I can see this side. Vandana, you make it from here because you can see it from the front. And Neha, you make it from upstairs because you will then be able to see it from the top.
Okay.
I have completed the drawing from my side.
Even mine is complete. Even I have completed it.
See, the 3 of us have made a picture of the same staircase, seeing it from different sides. That's why each of our drawings look different.
Now I have understood what is 3 dimension, and that when you look at them from different sides, their shapes appear different.
Yes, but accurately, the drawing is made from 3 different sides, like the way we drew this staircase.
But what is this 3-sided drawing called?
One is called the top view, which tells us how an object will look if seen from the top.
This means my drawing is a top view of the staircase, which is a brown colored rectangle, right?
Yes, Neha. In addition to the top view, there's another view, which is called the side view. In that, the object is drawn by looking at it from the right side.
So does this mean that the drawing you have made is a side view of the staircase, as you made the staircase seeing it from the right side of it?
Yes, you are right, Vandana.
I drew the staircase from the front. Uncle, which view would it be called?
Vandana, this will be called the front view.
That means when an object is seen from the front, then its front view will be visible.
Yes, and that's why Vandana's drawing appears to be different from our drawings.
Yes, this is a colorful rectangle.
So, did you understand? This is the front view of the staircase. This is the side view, and this is the top view. What did you understand?
Now I have fully understood that all objects are 3-dimensional. The 3 dimensions are width, height, and depth. Because of this, objects appear to be of different shapes when viewed from different sides. To understand the exact shape of an object, one must look at it from 3 sides, from the top, front, and from the right side. While looking at an object from the top, then the top view of the object appears. The front view of the object is visible when viewed from the front. And the side view of an object appears when viewed from the right side.
Very well said, children. Now you both play and I'll do my work.
So you all understood about the different views in a detail, students? And how the image will be different from the different views?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Now I request everyone to stand at their places because we are going to learn about the new topic, which is about the directions. And direction only possible how? We should know about what? Can anyone tell me? How it is possible to know
Ma'am?
about the directions?
Ma'am, from the sun by compass and we from the sides.
Sides. And what if you are learning about the route map? Have you all know about the maps? Anyone knows about what is map?
Yes, even ma'am, yes, ma'am. About maps only.
The map is only the world map and the India map.
No, ma'am.
Then
Ma'am, it has some
Divit, sit
places
properly.
maps also come.
sit properly, Divit.
Route map
Route map of what? Which route?
of places.
Places. When you go to hospitals, you see the maps there. Then only you will follow the directions.
Yes, ma'am. There is also written N, W, E, and S.
Okay. And when you go to malls, there also the route maps are given. Without the maps, you will get confused, no? On which floor what is there or which shop is there. So when you go to malls, there also you will see the maps. But everywhere, whenever you go for the trips, and if you don't know the proper address, what you follow? How you see the address? Who will give you the address, proper address? Where you will
Yeah.
search? Where you will search?
Google Maps.
Google Maps. I really like the way the Google Maps speak. Can anyone tell me how the Google Maps speak? Now you reach to the destination. Thank you. This way the Google Maps speak, yes or no?
Yes. Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
Yes,
ma'am.
Turn
Yeah.
left, turn
Yes,
After
right. They give directions, go straight, after circle or across, go right turn.
Yes,
They give
ma'am.
instructions.
It says the direction.
Yeah, so student, if you don't know about right and left, will you able to follow the directions properly? No.
No.
So
No.
first we will understand what is right, what is left. I'm going to play one rhyme. You all have to dance along with it at your place, right? And whatever the instructions they are giving you, that put your right hand up, put your left hand up, you need to follow the same. Got it? So that you can learn about the different directions, the left, the right, the up, down. Okay, so I'm going to play the video now. Is this visible to you all? I'm going to mute myself now. In between, we will not talk. I want you to all enjoy it, okay? And please follow the instructions which they are giving you. Then only you will learn about the right and left.
Put your right hand in, you put your right hand down, you put your right hand in, and shake it all out, and do the boogie woogie, and turn yourself around, and that's what it's all about.
It is stuck.
Ma'am, it's not working.
It is not working. Ma'am, it is not
Put your left hand in, you put your
Ma'am, it is stucking.
left hand in, and shake it all out.
Wait, students. Put your right hand up. Now, am I visible and audible to you all? When it's saying up and down, then do the up and down. Then only you will learn
Yes,
about
ma'am.
the different directions.
Ma'am, it is stucking.
Now I'm going to play it again.
You put your right foot in, you put your right foot out, you put your right foot in, and shake it all
Now it's saying about the
and do
foot,
the
right
boogie
foot and the
woogie,
left
and
foot.
turn
So please
yourself
move the
around,
foot.
and that's what it's all about. you put your left foot in, you put your left foot out, you put your left foot in, and shake it all about, and do the boogie woogie, and turn yourself around, and that's what it's all about.
I hope you all are following the instructions.
You put your whole self out, you put
It's a
your
whole self. Yes, whole self
shake
in.
it all about, and do the boogie woogie, and turn yourself around, and that's what it's all about.
So students, come back to your places now. So how was it? How was the
Ma'am,
experience?
it was very nice.
Because Aradhya has not
Very
done, no,
nice.
that's why he has not enjoyed.
Ma'am, what like
Ma'am, it had
what
fun.
what that
That is the thing, no, you need to follow the quick what they are saying you.
Ma'am,
Jigar saying turn on your camera. Let me take the attendance for a minute, students.
Ma'am, I didn't like it because it was children like do it. I don't like children things.
Okay. So now you all are clear with your left hand and the right hand. Can we all put together with the right hand up? Put your right hand up. Put your right hand down. Put your left hand up. Put your left hand down. So you all are clear about the left and the right hand. And when someone gives you the directions, that follow the directions, will you able to follow it properly? Okay. Now I'm going to show you one video based on the directions. How the children are reaching to her ma'am's place. Because ma'am has given them the address that you need to reach like this. But how they are reaching to the address, just see the video properly. My screen is visible to you all. I'm going to play this and I'll mute myself.
Yes, ma'am.
Open your notebooks and I will give you the directions to reach my home.
Okay, madam.
Go straight from as you exit from our school gate. Then take a second right. After that, turn left and go straight. You will see a hospital. Take right from the hospital and go straight until you see a sweet shop. My home is right in front of it. Now I am leaving. Be there at 6 o'clock. Okay, children?
Let's go to madam's home. It will be a lot of fun at the party.
Let's go. I'm also very excited.
Look, Neha, there is a circle on this road and there is a turn towards the right side. We have to go this way. Hurry up before we get late. Oh, Neha, there is no road ahead. What to do now? Oh no, I think we have taken the wrong way. We have made a mistake, Vandana. We should follow the directions given by Madam. Look, Madam told us to take the second right turn. But we have taken the first right turn. Come, let's go back. Do you remember? We have seen this circle. We took a right from here. That was our mistake. Now, this left road will take us back to the school. Therefore, we should take a right from here. Look, there is another road going towards right. This is the second right turn. We should take this way. Yes, now we are on the correct route. Let's take a right turn from here. Oh, Vandana, where are you going? We should check with the directions given by Madam. Look, there is a garden over there and a road to the right and left. Oh, yes. Then which road should we take? Madam has not mentioned anything about a garden. I am not able to figure out this. Okay, let us do one thing. Let's make a drawing according to the directions given by Madam. This is our school. This road is in front of our school. This is the circle where we took a wrong turn towards the right. The second right turn was the correct one. After that, we took this road. Now we are at this point. Madam said that after taking the second right, we need to take a left turn. Then we will see a hospital. And from there, we have to take a right turn. Going straight along the road, we will see a sweet shop. Madam's home is in front of that shop. Yes, now I got it. Let's go. Look, there is a hospital. According to this drawing, we should take a right turn. See, the sweet shop is there. Madam's house must be in front of the shop. Look, Madam is standing there.
Come on, Neha and Vandana. I was waiting for you both. Did you face any difficulty to reach here?
We faced some difficulty in the beginning because we took a wrong turn. But then Neha made a drawing according to your directions. With the help of this, we reached your home easily.
Neha, show me what you have made. Oh, great, Neha. You have made a map that leads to my home.
Madam, what is a map?
Don't worry, Neha. I will explain. If a place is represented with the help of lines, then it is called a map. A map helps us to go from one place to another very easily.
Just like the way Neha's map helped us reach your home, ma'am.
Yes, exactly. But a map also helps to know what is situated where. Like by looking at the map, you can easily tell the location of the park.
Then map is very useful for us. Where is the map used, madam?
A map is used for so many purposes. For example, in a big park, a museum, a shopping mall, etc. Every city has a map which helps the tourists to go from one place to another. Maps are not only for cities, but also for every state, country, and even the world in which oceans, mountains, and rivers are marked. If we talk about maps, it will take hours. But right now, let us enjoy the party. And we will talk about it some other day.
Okay, madam.
Today we have learned about instructions related to directions are very important. If we don't follow the right directions, then it will be difficult for us to reach from one place to another. Directions related to a place could either be written or drawn on maps. Map is a drawing made with the help of lines, which makes it easy to reach different places.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
it's
I
level
have a
9.
doubt. Ma'am, I have a doubt.
Yes, please, Moksha.
Yes, ma'am. In the video, ma'am said to take a right from the circle, but
I am coming on that point only. See, I am standing like this. Okay. If I am sitting and standing like this will be my right and this will be my left. If I turn like this, this will be my right and this will be my left. As the way the direction, if you are changing, if I am like this, my right will be like this and my left will be like this. Again, if I am rotating on the same position coming, then again the left and right change. Got it, Moksha, now?
I did not understood.
See, I am sitting like this. Do I stand and show you? See, I am standing like this. This will be my right. This will be my left. Okay. And if I am turning like this, again this will be my right and this will be my left. Next, again I'm turning, this will be my right, this will be my left. I'm turning from here, this, if I'm standing like this, my right side will be this side, my left side will be this side. And if I am again coming on my original position, my right side will be this and the left side will be this. Got it, students?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, they were standing in the between, so this will be their
Yeah.
right and this will be their
Yeah,
left.
when they come on the circle, they are coming on the circle, then this will be their right. Again, if they are turning, this will be their right. So if they are turning in the different position, their right and left will change.
Ma'am, what means second right?
Second right means first right you need to leave, then you go straight and use the second right.
Okay, it means another direction, right?
First, yeah, this is related to the this direction. Directions always differ from place to place. And according to the direction which is given in this, they were saying second right means you need to leave the first right and go straight and use the second right. Got it, students? And why, why are we doing these directions? It is given on your page number 58 about the Smiles house. How the Srijata house and how the Srijata will reach to the Smile house. Smile has given the directions that you need to follow the directions and then reach to the, read this page number 58 and then we will discuss tomorrow, okay? And now I will present you one worksheet based on these directions only.
Ma'am, I have sent you the board worksheet to you. You will send
Okay.
tomorrow now. You check.
No, I will check
Ma'am,
and I will.
you will show the worksheet that you will send today.
Ma'am,
What?
when you send then
Ma'am, you will
Yeah.
show the worksheet that you will send today.
Ma'am, when your worksheet comes, then I only send.
Can I explain first and then we discuss what you are discussing, students? Can I explain first? Am I audible to you all clearly?
Yes, ma'am.
Aradhya, very easy based on the different views. Okay, Aradhya? Now I'm
Yeah.
going to show you something. Are you all able to see this on my screen?
Ma'am, your screen is
This
down.
is the-
Ma'am, you're audible.
my screen is?
Ma'am, your screen
Yes, you can see your screen.
Yes or no? Show me thumbs up.
Ma'am, your screen is stuck.
Stuck. Okay.
Okay.
Let me check the network first.
Ma'am, no, you're not stuck here.
Tell me.
Ma'am, you're not stuck.
Okay. Now I will show you here something.
Yes, ma'am,
Can you
you're
all able
not
to-
stuck. Your presentation is stuck.
Now it is stuck or not, students?
No.
No, ma'am.
Okay. Now please look here. I will ask some questions from you all. Okay. So this is the map. Look at the picture carefully and answer the following questions. This is the map of which picture? What do you observe here?
School. And a play.
Very good.
Ma'am, there is written ABC. Basketball area. And the cars area.
Now listen here.
And there is written ABC. Basketball area.
Now see this properly. Properly, then I will ask some
Ma'am,
questions.
there
from you.
is written ABC.
Don't give the answers right now. First, look the properly this image. सब कुछ देख लो. What is at the back of the school? Which gate is at the back of the school? What is there? What is left to the school? What is right to the school? What are standing? Which color bus is standing? Observe everything in the map. This image. Now I will ask few questions and give me answers one by one. Don't speak together, everyone, please. Which is near to the basketball court? Trees or cars?
Cars.
Trees.
No. Yeah, trees. Trees is the right answer. Which is the further from basketball court? School building or cars?
Cars.
Cars.
School
You are at the gate number A, facing towards the school building. Gate number B will be to your which side?
I'm at the roadside.
Roads.
It's your right side or your left side, I'm asking.
Left.
Left.
You are in the gate number A and you are facing
Right.
yes, it will be your toward right side. If you
Yes.
are at the gate number C facing towards school building, gate number B will be to your which side?
Right.
Right. Left side. Left side.
You are
Left
facing
side.
gate number C.
Left
It
side.
will be your right, it will be your left, and the gate number B towards your left.
Ma'am, time is
Don't
up.
guess the answer, students. Observe it properly. Don't guess कि left नहीं तो right तो होगा ही.
Constant collection of extremes.
Clear, everyone? Yes or no, students? Are you all clear with this?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now I'm going to show
Yes,
you one image here. Now you need to give me how the yellow car has to reach the bookshop. You can see the yellow car here. You can see the bookshop here. How the yellow car reached to the bookshop.
Ma'am, Manya can
Ma'am.
tell.
Ma'am,
Manya.
Ma'am,
Manya,
Manya.
Aradhya.
Yes, ma'am. Right. The yellow car will go straight.
Yes.
Then it will come 3 roads. So it has to take the right road,
Hmm.
go straight, and there will come a shop. From there, it has to take a right turn,
Hmm.
and there will be coming a circle.
Yes.
So from the circle, it has to take the left turn,
Yes.
and then it has to go straight and like this.
Then
in a
coming to the right side.
right, and there is the bookshop.
Very good. There is another way. Can anyone explain us with the other way? Aradhya?
Ma'am, other way.
Yes. One way the
Ma'am, I can say please.
Manya has explained. There is one more way to reach to the bookshop.
Ma'am, I can say I know.
Yes, Moksh will be last then because I have the HRM also, bacha. Moksh will be
Yes.
last.
Yes, ma'am. The car will go straight and then turn right, and then it will go straight only.
Yes, come straight,
Yeah, we have
till
to
down
take
and
left.
then-
The car
Yes.
has
And
to
then
turn back and
Why the other child is speaking if the Moksh is speaking, bacha?
and then it will take again a right.
Very good. There is
And
one
go
more way. From here, it will take a right turn, come straight, and from the circle also, it will come straight. Yes,
Yes.
where it is on.
and then it will go to the right side. Understood, students? She has very much clearly explained about the left and right. Manya, very good. She has explained when she was reaching to the left and when she was reaching towards the right side. She has clearly explained how to reach it. Thank you, students.
Bye,
Thank
ma'am.
you.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.